Maximize your home's resale value. Homeowners, what are the top 5 best home renovations that you can do with a future resale in mind? Hi, I'm Patty Hardy. I'm with Sheridan Realty. I'm the broker owner right here in Canyon Lake, Texas. And as a homeowner looking to sell, you may be wondering what home improvements that you can do to help maximize your return on your investment. Well, let's take a look. Number 1, paint color. Color is one of the most basic and appealing ways to update your space without breaking the bank. When choosing a color, it's always best to go with a neutral that everyone will be okay with. Number 2, curb appeal. We all know that making a first impression is key. It's all about creating an inviting, visually appealing exterior that captivates everyone who passes by. That's why having the exterior of your home updated with lighting, planting, and landscaping is so important. All of these improvements will help elevate your curb appeal. Next, ongoing maintenance. Home maintenance and repairs are crucial to ensure the value of your home. If you're unwilling to take on these repairs yourself, that's okay. Hire a professional. Maintaining your home will bring more rewards not only when you live there, but also when you go on the market. Next, kitchens and bathrooms. Although these two spaces can get costly to renovate, they're often the first areas that buyers will critique and scrutinize when they're out searching for a home. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars to renovate. You can just simply update things. You can update the cabinets, the appliances, or you can add a new fixture, and that will help add value. Next, the scents. Make sure that your home passes the smell test. Make sure that the carpets stay cleaned and maintained, no exterior garbage or anything that can create odors. Get the pets outside of the house. Please reach out to my team and I'd love to help assist you, guide you through this ever-changing market and help you get ready to put your home on the market. It's Patty Hardy, Sheridan Realty, 210-313-1010, and I'm happy to help. Thanks.